In this video, I will go over this profile. So you click on the upper right hand corner, you get this user profile. You could go and click on that and you can upload your own personal picture in here. You put different names in here, the usual, your address, time zone. This time zone is important because a lot of the graphing data will reflect this time zone that you're in. Because for the same greenhouse, you could have one person is in one time zone, and you could have, let's say, a manager or somebody else in a completely different time zone. So when you run the graph, it will display in this time zone here. So this is important. Then we have an API key. If you want to access the data or settings through an API interface, you could do this. You can click on this button here. There's a lot of details on how to use it. Obviously, you got to know how to handle API interfaces. There's a user ID. This ID is useful when you want to give this to another account and they can add you in as a third party. And so a typical use case in here would be if you are a reseller or if you are a support personnel. You can give this to your client and they will use this to add you into their system and allow you to have access to the right zone, whether it's read access or write access, and whenever that's done, they can remove your access, right? So this is the ID that's very important here. The theme, a lot of us use dark mode, so it's like that. There's some option on here, but just leave that for now. If I save that, but go back to my zone. This is dark mode.